keeps turning left in the corner. Not quite like NASCAR, but it's a left turn. Now he's at that corner, and I know that corner is really hard to turn with that plow in the ground. It just won't do it. He's digging new soil now. All right. Maybe it'll dig better over there. It could take a really long time to plow this field. And it's not that big a field. But it's lots of fun. All right. There's Lynn's field that he's plowing. And the tree line. Then on the tractor, coming to the corner. And right there is Lynn's deer blind, the deluxe one. Really nice, got all the amenities. And then, over this way, at about 110-15 yards, I think, this Lynn's feeder. So he's hoping by the time he gets his feed plot all sowed and grown up with delicious deer food of some kind and his feeder out there, that he will attract an abundance of deer. Yeah, and he'll probably just look at them and let them wait until next year. Because that's usually what he does. And there he goes again. And your deer blind there, your deer stand, and then a sweep down to where the feeder is. And said that you'd probably want to plant something that was really good that deer would like, so you could watch the deer. And then you probably wouldn't shoot one, you'd just look at them. Probably. Done. goes. Farmer Lynn trying his plow. Sometimes it digs and sometimes it doesn't. Right there it's digging. Round and round he goes. Where he stops, nobody knows. And now he's going down the far side. That part seems to dig in a little bit better. We'll see by the time it gets all the way around. Now he's going down the back stretch. Digging pretty good right along there.